Uh, my name is Rajinder Sidhu. By profession, I am agricultural economist. Uh, we are working in Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. It's located in Punjab state, which is considered to be the most progressive state in the country so far as agricultural sector is concerned. Currently, I am holding the position of Dean College of Basic Sciences and Humanities, which cover around 9 departments, and we offer degrees in master's and PhD programs. How we got involved with Columbia Water Center, basically Manu was trying to find a team which can collaborate with the Columbia Water Center, and there we discussed this issue that they are interested to undertake this study. Basically, this when we talk about the water issue, especially the groundwater issue, it's very critical for the Punjab state so far as the economic sustainability of the farming community itself is concerned. And we have been working on this project. Basically, I wrote a first paper on land and water resources degradation in the year 96. So I have been working on this issue, and then I thought that we got an opportunity where we can focus relatively with greater vigor in partnership with the Columbia Water Center, and that's why it clicked. Basically, I would say Manu liked our team, and we liked Manu's team, and that's how the partnership between Columbia Water Center and Punjab Agriculture University developed to investigate this very critical issue for the farmers, I would say income security or livelihood security, as well as for the sustainability of the groundwater resources in the state.
Yeah, I am Kamal Vatta. I'm an agriculture economist at PAU. I'm working with Professor Sidhu from the last 12 years. So I was his student first and then started working with him. So yeah, he has explained how we came in contact with Manu, because you see Punjab spearheaded this green revolution in the country. So that is why it was named as the food bowl of the country. But later on in the recent period, you find the negative externalities or impressions of this intensive cultivation in the form of natural resource degradation, and there are other negative impacts. Slowing down of agriculture, the productivity is declining and profitability is coming down. So I think the water is a critical issue for the Punjab agriculture to sustain in the future. So we came together and we recognized that this is a very important topic to work on, and that is why we started working together.
The second issue which is associated with this, basically when we talk about Punjab Agriculture University, we have been doing work on agricultural economics, but little work has been done in the state on hydrology and climate issues. And we know that the Columbia Water Center has got immense kind of strength in these areas. So therefore, it turned out to be a good combination where Columbia Water Center is handling the issue of climate change and hydrology issues, and it's then we are integrating it with the users of water at the field level itself. So that way it's a good combination of I would say development economist or the agricultural economist on one hand, and hydrologist and the climate change experts on the other hand. So that's I think it's one of the very good teams where we can have some kind of positive outcomes for the economy of the Punjab state, and as well as for which have got very wider implications for Indian agriculture and Indian community, because food security in India is largely associated with the food production system of the Punjab state. So if anything goes wrong with the food production system of the Punjab state, the food security of the country gets endangered. So that's why when we talk about the sustainability of water resources, it's impacting on the food production system of the state, and which is further impacts the food security issues of the country as well. So it's a very important topic in that sense also. Till the project goes, we are basically 5 people.
We are 5. So 2 are males and 3 are females.
Is that unusual?
It's quite unusual.
It's quite unusual in the
moving
Indian
in the field with females in the rural areas. It's quietly, I think it is an
Yeah.
unexpected type of activity.
because the
But the vigor with which the team has worked, I think that gets reflected from the results we have gotten this year.
we also seek the support of soil sciences and agronomy department. Soil sciences, because the soil sciences department is deeply involved in the development of water efficient technologies, and when you talk about the agronomy department is engaged in the development of agricultural practices for the production of dark seeded rice. So because we are not expert in that area, so we also seek their support when we go to the farmers, and we also take their experts with them so that they can explain to the farmers that these technologies, how do they work, and what kind of impact they have got so far as water saving issues are concerned.